What's going on, YouTube? This is What Would Josh Do, and Anker sent me a really cool speaker. They sent me two of them. There's going to be another video linked in the description below to the other speaker that's going to be bigger than this one. But this one's still exciting. Let's check out both of these. Let's open it up. These are brand new products. This one has 24 hours of playtime. It is a waterproof speaker, so you should be able to bring it to the pool and not worry if someone jumps in. It says fully waterproof, as in submergible. Okay. So then here's some more stuff. If you want to go ahead and pause this and read it for yourself. All right, let's open this thing up and see what we got. Well, that's a very simple unboxing. Very, very simple. We got some instructions, and then we've got the speaker. Let's open this thing up. All right, and this is what it looks like. Looks pretty freaking sick. You got some subwoofers here. And here, you got your Bluetooth, power, bass button, volume up and down, like a little assistant button, TWS. And then you've got all your stuff here for like charging. Oh, and you can even charge a phone up. So if you're listening to this at the pool and your phone's about to die, you can go ahead and throw your phone on there and charge your phone up. Truth be told, I'm over here struggling to find a USB A to C because I just don't use these anymore. I've converted everything over to power delivery for the fastest charge possible. So this is a 10-foot Anker cable connected to an Anker dual port thing, and then I got an iPhone connector on the other end so my daughter can charge her phone while we charge our phones. So there we go. Look, little red lights on. Let's go ahead and turn it on. It immediately went into pairing mode. So let's find the motion boom. Okay. Yes. So I hit the volume up button. You can see the volume on the phone move too. Okay, so that turns the bass off, and that turns the bass on. You can see the little speaker moving. The little sub. All right, we got a bass song on now. Let's test this out. Oh my goodness. That sounds really good too. It's got some flex. And that's not even up all the way. All right, and now one last thing before we end this. We're going to go ahead and pretend that our phone was about to die. And we needed it to be charged to continue the music. Can't disappoint everyone and the music stops playing because your phone dies. So let's go ahead and plug in our phone. And there we go. Anyways, definitely freaking awesome. And the fact that this is like something you could take to the pool, and if it gets knocked in the water, it's just pull it out of the water and keep going. That's freaking awesome. And it sounds amazing. Here we go. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. I will have links to this in the description below. If comments are disabled, it is not my fault. It's something YouTube did a long time ago. Please reach me on Twitter or Instagram. Both of those will be linked in the description below. This is What Would Josh Do, and I'm out.